In this video, I will show how to disable startup programs in Windows 11. So there are some way easy one. Click on Start, Settings. Now here Personalization. Now here click on Apps, then select Startup. Here you will see a list of applications. You can enable or disable them easily. Just select to on or off like this. And also you can measure impact. So as we can see, this all applications are not more impact on your system. So just select to on or off. And guys, if you want to speed up your Windows system, so if you don't need, so maximum you need to disable them in startup. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.